welcome back to Do It on a Dime. Turn on some uplifting tunes, find that inner spark of joy, and here are some quick ideas to organize after Christmas. First, declutter. Start here. What didn't you use this year? What is still in your bins? Fill a full Amazon box with what you didn't use. Your next year self will thank you. Think of your excitement to open containers of things that actually matter. Next, garbage bagging, my favorite tip. Fill garbage bags of vignettes from all of your mantles so they're all ready to go with everything in one place for next year. It also helps contain the mess. It's snowing! In my eyes, this is totally decorating made simple. I recently came across an article about something called oswiji. This is a Japanese word that means big cleaning, and it's done every year at the end of the year in Japan. You clear all of the old dirt and dust away old ways of thinking to make room for a new start. And I love this idea of cleaning as you go to give your home some love. Next is the untrimming of the tree, and you've definitely got to leave some extra time here. Owen, hey, guess what? Owen? Hey, Owen, you want to put that away for me? Don't forget to date sentimental ornaments now. You will totally forget when they were made in years to come. And contrary to popular belief, you don't have to buy off-season for Christmas bins and bags. Now is the best time to buy them at the cheapest price. I centralize all of my decor in one place, and this next step is so cathartic for me, going through and organizing everything. It takes a little while, so I like to take a bit of time to reflect on the previous year, and something we're doing this year is setting an intention word for 2019, something that we want to live by in the upcoming year. For me, my word is acceptance. Charlie, my husband's word, is love. Carson, my 5-year-old, chose the word confidence, and my 2-year-old Owen, he chose the word ranch, like the dressing. Oh, thank you, Owen. You are so helpful. On to the next. Oh, actually, don't touch that. Here's a few hacks you might actually use. Glue plastic cups to cardboard and stack them on top of each other. This is a great way to store sentimental ornaments so they don't break. And we also tape extra lights to the top of our light bins so that way they don't get lost. I love that one. Finally, we reset the house. I really enjoy this part. It makes the whole space feel so much lighter once things are finally put away. It reminds me of new beginnings, honestly. There's something kind of magical and free about it. Give this video a thumbs up if you agree. I love making motivating videos to get organized. Cheers to you. Acceptance, confidence, love, and ranch dressing. Be sure to subscribe so I can catch you guys in the next video. I'll see you there. See you next year.
Men and Mork?
Yeah. Carson's ultimate clean with me coming soon.